Will Bitcoin top in October 2025? Will Bitcoin break above and stand above this line stretching from 2021? Are we going to see a price correction in short term? Welcome to Coin Info November 11, now it's 6:30 p.m. Pacific Time. Rect Capital is presenting us with a Bitcoin price law. Bitcoin bottomed 547 days prior to the 2016 halving, but topped in its bull market 518 days after the 2016 halving. Bitcoin bottomed 517 days prior to the 2020 halving, but topped in its bull market 549 days after the 2020 halving. We can see the two market cycles, they almost have the same pre-halving time span and post-halving time span. Okay, let's move on to this market cycle. Bitcoin bottomed 517 days before the 2024 halving. You see, 517 days is the same to the previous cycle, the 2020 cycle. So people have great reason to believe Bitcoin may very well top in its bull market 549 days after the 2024 halving, which is October 2025. According to 狂人说趋势, after Bitcoin price soared 7,000, bulls don't have enough fuels to further pull off the price in the short term. That's why there are many market pullbacks during a bull market to grab liquidity. In the past 7 days, bull traders have over 1 billion stop loss above 80K for liquidation. And there's still 5 billion stop loss for liquidation above 70K. So the market has strong tendency to grab liquidity from below, to go down to some extent. In Goomba's chart, we see a long trend line connecting the two tops in the last bull run back in 2021, stretching to now today. And today's price just exactly tapped and break a little above this trend line. So there will be some kind of pullback a bit. However, Rect Capital thinks otherwise. There will be no deep pullback in the coming month. He said, history suggests that we may not have a deeper pullback for a few more weeks. Until then, we will be lucky to get any brief dips in the meantime. The first multi-week price discovery wave tends to enjoy mostly uninterrupted upside. So fasten your seatbelt and sit tight. In Super Bro's chart, here's a potential pullback stretching below 80K. But he also said he doesn't think it will go as deep as shown in the chart here. Mr. Kush just said keep ignoring all short-term projecting, including his own projecting. There might be a small flat correction or maybe no correction at all, because instead of short-term, high time frame is in full send. What he means is Bitcoin still strong, super bullish on high time frames. Yeah, we just talked about potential pullback, but pullback to where? Max Price proposed the floor for the potential pullback, which is 84K500. Oh my bad. He's not indicating a pullback to this price. He just said this floor will be the bottom, the foundation for this bull run. Chinese crypto influencer Chair BTC just said, Bitcoin bulls are kicking the ass of Bitcoin bears recently. But even if the bull can pull off the Bitcoin price to 90K, it will only grab 1.7 billion liquidity from the bear. On the contrary, if the invisible hand can drive down the market price to 73,000, they can harvest more liquidity from the short-term bulls, especially the short-term leveraged bull traders.